A Contessa off-road, you madman, Jaipur, land of palaces, camels and me, about to take a Hindustan Contessa off-road madness, absolutely. But boredom is a powerful motivator. Plus, this old Contessa, she's been begging for some action. No more school runs for this grand old dame. People said I was crazy. That car's for cruising, not bruising, they'd say, shaking their heads. But I knew better. Okay, maybe not better. But I was committed. This wasn't just about proving them wrong, it was partly that. This was about the thrill of the unknown, about man and machine against the elements, or at least against some slightly bumpy dirt roads. Right, time to prepare. Step 1, WD-40. Lots of it, on everything. Hinges, door handles, suspension. WD-40 is like duct tape. It fixes everything, or at least makes it squeak less. Next, tires, checked the pressure. Looked a bit flat, pumped them up a bit more. What could go wrong? Packed some essentials, water, snacks, a tow rope, just in case. Gave the Contessa one last look. She wasn't pretty, but she had character. Besides, this wasn't about looks. This was about guts and maybe a little bit of stupidity. Okay, a lot of stupidity. And we're off. First few bumps, Contessa handled them like a champ. See, I told myself, piece of cake. Then the road disappeared, replaced by rocks, ruts, and what looked like a dried-up riverbed. The Contessa coughed, spluttered, but kept going. Sort of. Every bump felt like an earthquake. My spine was taking a beating. So was the Contessa, to be fair. We bounced and swayed, a chaotic dance with gravity. At one point, we were practically vertical. I swear I saw a goat salute us. Or maybe it was laughing. We emerged from the dust cloud, battered but not broken. The Contessa had a few new dents and a suspicious rattle, but she'd done it. We'd conquered the Jaipur jungle. Okay, maybe it was more like a slightly overgrown park, but still. The sun was setting, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple. I patted the Contessa's dashboard. "You were brilliant," I said, "a true warrior." She responded with a concerning grinding noise. Maybe the WD-40 wasn't enough, but hey, we had a story to tell and probably a mechanic on speed dial.